Why we are choosing Atlas Copco? Because they are giving the turnkey solutions. It is not just a nitrogen generator. It is right from the air compressor, nitrogen generator, and even the piping solutions. So we don't need to worry much about how we execute. It's not just procurement, how we install and commission the nitrogen generator. And I would like to recollect my commissioning experience of one of the Atlas Copco nitrogen generator, where we had a tremendous pressure to start the site. And to start the site, we have to have nitrogen generator because the process requires nitrogen. And we had only one option, that is nitrogen generator, and no bottles at the site. The technical team of Atlas Copco, they were there with me throughout the night. Overnight, we actually worked hard, and by the next day we had the entire plant commissioned, thanks to technical team of Atlas Copco. It was a pleasantful experience being associated with Atlas Copco, right from the proposal stage and procurement, commissioning, and even while using the products, as well as service after sales. So always Atlas Copco team were with us. Thanks, team Atlas Copco.